Good morning. Today we are going to read chapter 16 called Displaced. There are a few vocabulary words that I would like to preview with you first. Then you will read the chapter, and then we will talk about how the cliffhanger from chapter 15 was resolved in chapter 16. The first word that I'd like you to look at is the word couplet. That is 2 lines of verse, usually in the same meter and joined by rhyme that form a unit in poetry. So if you take a look at the rhyming couplet to the right-hand side, you'll see that it says, "Fox and socks, our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir." So they're using the 2 words to create a couplet in poetry. The next word is rickshaw. A rickshaw is a light 2-wheeled hooded vehicle drawn by 1 or more people, usually used in Asian countries. You can see to the left-hand side what a rickshaw looks like. The next word is exodus. We've talked about this in social studies. An exodus is a mass departure of people, a lot of people leaving at once. The next word is treacherous. Treacherous is guilty of or involving betrayal. The next word is humiliation. The act of embarrassing someone is humiliating them. The next word is paratroopers. Paratroopers are people in the military that are trained to parachute into an operation and usually functioning as part of an airborne force, so dropping from a plane in a parachute. And the last word for today is ambassador. An ambassador is a person sent as the chief representative of his or her government in another country. So set to represent a specific country. All right. On Friday, we read chapter 15. We learned that in literature, a cliffhanger is an ending, usually to a chapter, that leaves many questions unanswered and puts the reader in a state of suspense. We were kind of left off feeling suspenseful after reading chapter 15. Now on Friday, you were supposed to analyze the cliffhanger. The chapter ended with Malala's mother saying that they should leave their home and take shelter in Shangla. This was a cliffhanger because it leaves the reader wanting to know how life will be in Shangla. I know I was left wondering, will it be better or worse than life for Malala and her family before they went to Shangla? Today you are going to read chapter 16 and answer the 2 questions on the Google document that talks about the cliffhanger being resolved in chapter 16. I hope you enjoy and have a great day.